So, good day, sir. So, I am Ralph Vincent Rodriguez and also my partner, Muhammadil Kalipapa. So, we are presenting our output, system. So, our system, sir, is titled Student Resource Management System with Chatbot for SKSU's CCS student. So, now we open our code editor, VS Code. By the way, we'll minimize or cam muna, sir. Webcam. So like this. So now we have here in our VS Code. So first, our project structure. So my project structures are project folder structure is mainly the backend folder, CS chatbot folder, and front end folder. So as their name says, their specified codes are the contents of that folder. So for backend or backend code, say front end code, and for the chatbot code. So by the way, sir, our system use a technology stack which is MERN stack. So it stands for MongoDB for our database, ExpressJS for say JavaScript framework for backend, sir, and React for building dynamic front-end interfaces, and Node.js as our main package manager and main backend language. So, and for the chatbot, we use Rasa. So, Rasa is a open source chatbot framework. So here, sir. So it's a open source machine learning framework to automate text, voice-based conversations, NLU, and dialogue management. So basically, she's a framework. So meron na siya mga built-in libraries that you can use and train your specified data and build the model that you desire. So like that, sir. So now we will run our system. So npm run dev. So by running that, sir, we'll run all the specified scripts. So we'll wait a few seconds, sir, to run it completely. So just wait for the message. This message will pop up, sir. That's starting Rasa server. So okay, our Rasa server is started na, sir. So now we can open our website in a browser. So here is, sir. So when you run our system, sir, so first it will pop a landing page. So basic landing page, sir, has short descriptions like course management, sir, their time. And so first we will create an account. So by creating an account, we will click get started free. So for example, sir, your account here, sir. So then, sir. So kunyari, sir, this is your email. So here is password, sir. So then confirm password. Now we can sign up. So account created successfully na, sir. Save natin to. You can now sign in with your new account. So sign in. Ta-da! So here's view of the of our main system, sir. So we have now navigations like dashboard, courses, resources, and Pomodoro. So first is there is dashboard. So here our dashboard, sir, shows the summary of your mainly the activities what you've done in this system, sir. So now next in the courses part. So in the courses part, sir, we can add courses. You can click this course title. So example, emerging tech. So there's our name. So your name, sir. And course description. Study emerging tech and modern frameworks. You can pick a start date. So example, today start date, and the end date is 31. You can put schedule, sir. So like one Monday to Wednesday, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. So that's your designated schedule. So the category, so mainly programming. In the tags, you can put here, sir, like app dev, um, web dev, like like that stuff, sir. So in the milestone part, sir, so basically this milestone is like your goal in this course that you want to finish, want to complete. So example, sir, so build uh, full app. You can pick a due date. So example 31. Next description. Uh, full stack up using non-stack like that. Now you can add the milestone. Now it will display in this milestone card. So now we will create this course, sir. As you can see, sir, the course has been created, and here it is, the course card, which is the overview, milestone, and study. So in the study part, sir, you can, it's like a timer, you can time your study session, and basically it will calculate like how much you spent studying, like that stuff, sir. Also, you can edit it, sir. This edit this, and also you can delete it. So now move to the resources section, sir. So here are the resources. Mainly, this is the main functionality of my system, sir. So as my system name, student resource. So this is the plays a vital role in my system. So here you can see the bus amount. I can say bus, but few amount of best resources you can found in the internet, sir. And also it's free. Almost almost of this is free, sir. You can filter it by these categories, front end, or you can filter it with levels, beginner. For the beginner ones with only rendered, so you can also search. This is recon count. It will show the recon count resourcer. We will refresh it. And also we can submit a resourcer. So we can add a resource list here. So example, we will submit a resource. Example is the source is Scrimba. 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 So category. May yan siya ng backend. So description. So, copy ito na sir. Level beginner. Then in tags. Here. And sa content. So yung link. So ito sir. Scrimba.com. And we get an image from online source. Open source Scrimba. Image. So, ito sir. Kunin natin itong picture. Wait. Copy ito lang yung sir, yung image address. And paste natin dito. And the image will render sir. So, additional details, here you can add a topic here sir. Topics, front-end development, JavaScript basic. So, front-end JavaScript like that sir topics. So, prerequisite, and put here none. And the learning outcomes, copy na lang sir. We'll add it. This. Now we can submit it. So click submit. So success. So research submitted successfully. And as you can see, it is in pending approval. So before the submitted resource, before the resource that we submitted will appear here, must first find a way into the admin which requires its approval or decline. So by the way, our system has two roles or like views like a student and an admin. So yung admin is the one manage the submitted resources, whether he or she will decline it or approve it. So lastly, so the Pomodoro feature is the way Pomodoro timer is it's like it is the study technique that I use, sir. Always, it helps me manage my time effectively in studying, and it's like my anti-burnout strat, sir. Here you can focus, so you can add. It's like 25 minutes is the standard time for you can study for 25 minutes. After that, you can either take a short break, so 5 minutes or long break. So if this timer will go to 0, it will notify you either you can take a short break or long break. So that's all for us, sir, for the student side. So now we can go to the admin side. By the way, sir, either student and admin can have a chatbot access. So I will show you in the admin side the chatbot access, sir. So it's always the same, sir. So we log out, sign in the admin account. So sign in. Then as you can see, sir, it has additional admin navbar button here, so only the admin can have it. So in the admin side, it's almost the same. So courses section, resources. Sir, my internet connection is slow. So Pomodoro. So in the admin, so this is what we submit. This is the resources that we submit a minute ago. So in admin, she can review it, quick review, then she can either reject it or approve. So either, and also you can add a feedback here. So example, nice. So when approve, so success. So resource approved successfully. So the pending resources now is empty, and the resources that we approve is now visible. Is now visible here in resources page. Also, sir, in the resources, you can rate the resource like this. You put, you can put 5 star or review, or optional. And also you can view resource. It will direct you to the page, the main resource page. So that's all, sir, for the resources part. Now we can move on to the chatbot feature, sir. So mainly you can interact with chatbots, sir, like this message, like hi, simple greetings. So like that, sir. So she respond, welcome, I'm here to help you succeed in your studies. It can provide study tips, so find resources like that. Also, she can give motivation like that, sir. Any motivation. See, he give a motivation quote. So remember, every expert was once a beginner. Keep pushing forward. See, also you can give life tips. Like example, I'm feeling overwhelmed. You can see he gives you a life tip, so learning can be tough sometimes, but I'm here to help you through it. So also can give you what available resources in the database. For example, what resources do you have? Here, we give you various kinds of resources. So you add in project, pre-code camps, activities. So the one he will give you is the available resources that shows here so in the resources section. So mainly that's all the functionality of my chatbot, sir. So it's a bit simple, but I think we get the job done. And also, sir, I have the dark mode and white night, dark mode, day mode toggle button here. Prefer to be dark mode, so you can click it. And I prefer white mode. So I think that's all the feature of my system, sir. Of our system, sir. So I think I finished, so you can log out, sir. And that's all, sir. Thank you, sir, and Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.